birthdays. Everybody has one. Now, I went into a unique situation. Person mentioned to me through a personal message, I've been watching you for a long time. You never seem to have a birthday. Well, I did a little research on it. This person has been watching me a little under 1 year. And the reason why they haven't seen my birthday yet is because it's this month. Yes, the wonderful month of July. This person started watching me in September. So, what I'm going to do is, I'll let you know what my birthday is, but I'm going to ask you to post in the comments what your birthday is, so we can wish you a happy birthday on your birthday. So it's the gift that just keeps going giving. Okay. My birthday is on Friday, July the 29th this year. And I'm going to let you in on another little secret. I did a video when I first came to YouTube. It was called Raining on My Birthday. And I do a follow-up video of it every year. In the time that I have been alive, there have only been 3 years where it did not rain on my birthday. 1957, the year that I was born. 2006 and 2008. Now, for many of those years, I had a little bit of help with this because I lived in Pennsylvania, and I would always be visiting North Carolina on my birthday. So if it rained in Pennsylvania or North Carolina, it was in the books. But now I live in North Carolina, so I can no longer use Pennsylvania as my source of precipitation. It's North Carolina and North Carolina only now. So the rules have gotten a little harder for me. Will it rain on my birthday this year? Or will it be dry? I think it's going to rain. I think we're going to get rain for the 50th time in 54 years. I started keeping records of this when I was a little kid, because the way this started was, when I was young, my dad would generally take me to a Philadelphia Phillies game for my birthday, because I liked that, you know. And every year the game would get rained out, and many times we just had to exchange it for tickets to another game because the game would get rained out. So I started taking this like, okay, it's my birthday, it's raining, and it's not failed. All but actually 2 years since my birthday, and I did an internet search to look up the early years, like when I was a real tiny tot. And I'm not talking tiny in size, I'm talking tiny in age. But will it rain on my birthday? Friday, July 29th. When you respond back, Let me know what your birthday is so we can make a note of it and send you a happy birthday on your birthday. As usual, thank you for allowing me to bore you. And happy birthday. Bye.